Hello everyone, welcome to Size Guarantee, the out-of-box size recommendation tool for your Shopify store. Today, I will be giving you a quick demo on how you can install the Size Guarantee Shopify app. Let us start. Here is the demo site I would be using, called sizedemo.myshopify.com, with few products on the products page. Let me show one of the sample product pages. Here is how the product details page will look without the Size Guarantee app installed. Now, let us install the Size Guarantee app from the Shopify App Store. Here is the Size Guarantee app. After selecting it, you will need to click on Add App. To download the app, first you need to log in with your My Shopify URL. To log in to the Shopify store, you need to verify your account. So, let us do the verification with the email address. After logging in, the system will redirect you to the Shopify app installation page. Here, you can see that you are about to install the Size Guarantee app, and you can also see several terms and conditions related to Size Guarantee app listed below. Let us click Install App. Once the app installation is complete, the system will redirect you to the sign up page for the Size Guarantee. On this page, all the details required to sign up are already loaded. So you only need to enter the password, confirm the password and click the sign up button. As you click the sign up button, you will be registered and redirected to the console.sizeinterface.com, the Size Guarantee console. Here you can see that the first step is completed, which is the Size Guarantee app installation. Next, you need to set up the Know Your Size button. Here you can select the look and feel of your Know Your Size button. You can set the color and font of your preference. When you click Next, you will be redirected to the confirmation page, where you can review the store URL, name, integration and platform. You need to make sure all the details are accurate and then click on the Confirm and Apply button. Now the third step is to analyze all the products on your Shopify site. This step will start automatically and it might take between 10 minutes and up to 4 hours to complete. It depends on the store's catalog size. Once the system finished processing the catalog in your e-commerce store, you will receive an email. Here, you can see that there is an email from support@sizecorner.com which says scrapping completed. Please check the size console. Let us go back to the Size Guarantee console, and as you can see, step 3 and 4 are completed. Now, let us refresh the product details page. The Know Your Size button is still not appearing because you need to enable it from the console, which is the final step, and here is how you do that. Go back to the Size Guarantee console page. Here, you need to click on the Disable button in red color. With this, you have completed all the steps. And you will have the Know Your Size button enabled on your website. Let us go back and refresh the product details page again. Now you can see the Know Your Size button. So, let's check the app page of the Shopify website. As you can see, the Size Guarantee app is successfully installed in your Shopify e-commerce store. If you click on the Size Guarantee, you will be redirected to the console, where you can see that all the steps of the app are completed successfully. Now, let's check how the Know Your Size button works. Let's get started. Click on the Know Your Size button. You can log in with any of the channels shown here. I have previously created a profile with the demo email address demo.female@sizeguarantee.net. So, I will be selecting email as the channel to log in my profile. After logging in, you can see that I got the recommended size, which is small. When you are using the button for the first time, you need to create your profile with the Size Guarantee. You can select any of the channels shown here to do that. Next, you have to choose your gender and upload pictures in 3 poses for the app to calculate your measurements. After that, when you click on the Know Your Size button, the system will recommend your ideal size for the chosen apparel. Thanks for watching. Check out our website www.sizeguarantee.com to know more about our product. And for any queries, reach out to this email address.